Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. Video review number 73, I believe. And yeah, we're getting just going to go over my daily profits from last night. I had a busy night, so I wasn't able to make a video, but 0.54%, guys. I made $77.96. Beautiful. All on autopilot, guys. So I got the notification on my phone. I was busy, I was out, so I wasn't near my computer, but yeah, I made 77.96. Great earnings day, guys. I also made some bonus. I'm not sure if I showed you in one of the last videos. 38.39. One of my guys reinvested, so I made some extra cash there. So yeah, guys, have some good cash flowing in. S Group is doing really well for me, as you see. I'm at where's my investment here? There we go, 19,200 basically. I made $128.73 and then also that 38.39 in basically 2 days, guys. Today's Wednesday, so we're gonna earn today on the investment. It's gonna be real sweet, guys. So yeah, if you guys want to be part of the S Group community, you want to join, you want to get funded, you want to start earning money on your account, make sure you click on the sign up link down below in the description. That way you can sign up underneath my team. I'll show you everything that's involved with S Group, how to get your account funded, how to start earning money on autopilot, guys. Most people, when they come into S Group, they get into the forex market, which is, as you can see, what I have my money invested in right now. Been doing that for almost 2 years. Next month in October, it'll be my 2-year anniversary. So, and then as time goes on, I'm going to get my money invested in S Pharmaceutical, which is something you can do if you choose to. Um, there's different with S Pharmaceutical, though. You do have to come in here with a good chunk of change, guys, because as you see, the different levels here. If you invest in production, it's $2,500. Extraction, $5,000. Sales, 7,500. Products, 10,000. Or the full cycle, 25,000. Yeah, guys. So I mean, if you do have a lot of money to invest in, you can throw your money in any one of these areas. Then after so many months, I believe it's 3 months, they give you the earnings of your investment from the, of course, the money that they make. Um, Also, another area you can invest in as well, guys, the SIPO, which is the basically the collection of stocks that they are dealing with, in which it auto trades for you and it makes money for you. So this is the different levels here, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much just like the forex market, the levels and the payout rate, which yeah, it's pretty much the same. So just with this, once you invest, they will give you the earnings on your investment. So you just have to look out for that. That'll all be in this group here, just like how it is with forex. If you get into liquidity mining, guys, that's with their own token system. With this, you can invest, and the longer you invest, the more money you'll make, actually, because if you look at 90 days, you get 75% of the earnings. 365 days, you get 85%. And 180 days, you get 80%. So after that period of time, yeah, you'll just get money thrown into your liquidity mining account, and then you can use that to either withdraw or you can put it into these other areas and build those up, guys. So yeah, I'm just doing real good, guys, with the forex. I just want to make this 5-minute daily review video to show you guys how I'm doing, to show you guys that this is real, that you're going to make some really great passive income with this system. Again, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below in the description. And once you sign up and join my team, you can shoot me an email. Let me know you signed up, and I'll walk you through everything. If you want to do a voice call or if you just want to communicate through email, let me know. Also, there is the, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That's what I meant to say. Sorry, guys. I'm doing two things at once here. Click the subscribe button down below so you can be subscribed to my channel. That way you can receive all the updates and notifications as time goes on. And yeah, shoot me an email if you have any questions about S Group, guys. I'd love to hear from you. So thank you very much for your time, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next 5-minute daily review video. Thank you.